Hey guys, this is Derek from ModernCastle.com. Today I'll be doing our review of the iRobot Braava Jet M6. This is one of the most advanced mopping robots on the market with a ton of really cool and interesting smart features. But is it worth the hefty price tag? Let's go ahead and find out now. As always, we're going to be covering a lot in today's video. If you'd like to jump to a specific section, we have the time codes up now. In addition, if you have a question on something we don't cover in the video, please drop us those notes in the comments down below. And lastly, if you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. It really does go a long way to helping the channel. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's take a look at the design. Here you can see the simple controls right on the machine itself. There are more advanced controls available when you connect the robot mop to your smartphone. The Braava Jet M6 is 10 inches wide, 10.6 inches deep, and 3.5 inches tall. It weighs 4.85 pounds. This is a little heavier than the Braava Jet 240, but lighter than the 380T. The docking station is 11.5 inches wide, 12.5 inches deep, and 4 inches tall. The overall build quality on the Braava M6 feels like a step up even from what we normally expect from iRobot. The M6 looks and feels incredibly solid, and all the parts, accessories, docking station, and even the mopping pads feel well made and built to last. One of the benefits of the Braava Jet M6 is simply the number of cool and smart features on the robot. Let's go over those now. First, we'll talk about imprint mapping. The Braava M6 uses Imprint Technology to navigate the area and determine where cleaning needs to happen. Through the app, you can assign different names to zone spaces to help the robot mop clean your specific house more effectively. Zone cleaning even allows for the Braava M6 to be paired with voice control device, so you can activate the M6 by saying a simple command like, "Braava, clean the kitchen." In addition, you can set keep out zones, which tell the Braava to stay away from those specific areas. Next, we have the Imprint Link, which is a secondary part of Imprint Technology that allows Braava M6 to communicate with other robots, including the Roomba i7 and S9. These two devices can work together to vacuum, dry sweep, and wet mop all the floors in your space. When vacuuming is done, the i7 or S9 will communicate back to the M6 and let it know that it's time to mop, so you don't have to even make the switch yourself. And third, there's the recharge and resume feature. This technology allows the mop to clean until the battery is low, return to the charger to juice up, and then continue cleaning after a charging cycle. When it is charged, it will automatically return to the last place it mopped. This allows the M6 to run for as long or as little as it needs in order to finish cleaning your home. Let's move on to some of the accessories included with the Braava M6. It comes with 2 dry sweeping pads, 2 wet mopping pads, mopping cleaning liquid, the charging base, and a power cord. One innovative feature of this robot mop is that it comes with 2 designated cleaning pads, one type for dry sweeping and one type for wet mopping. Once you install one of these pads, the mop will automatically adjust cleaning cycles based on which pad is installed. Here's a look at the charging base. The robot will automatically return to the charging station when any given cleaning cycle is complete, which is another helpful way this robot mop takes care of itself so you don't have to worry about it. The Braava Jet M6 performed great in our cleaning tests. To put the M6 to the test, we prepared our tile testing lane with 3 different messes to clean up: water, dyed green for visibility; mud, a potting soil mixed with a little bit of water so it would spread; and honey. We loaded the Braava M6 with a single-use wet mopping cleaning pad, filled the tank with water, and slightly dampened the cleaning pad before starting. Then we let it get to work. The Braava Jet M6 gave overall very strong results, especially for a robot mop. The water was 100% removed and soaked into the pad. For the mud, the vast majority was removed. Some of the larger chunks remained on the lane, but most were pulled into the mopping cloth. And with honey, all of the visible honey was removed. However, there were a couple of spots that still had a little stickiness left behind. We also wanted to test the dry mopping performance on hardwood floors, so we used the washable dry mop. Here's what it looks like after a couple passes. In general, hardwood dry dusting was great. It's a bit tough to tell just by looking at the cleaning pad, but where you can really tell is the feel of the floor. It no longer has that slick, dusty feel, a subtle yet notable difference. The Braava M6 is incredibly easy to use and set up. There are cleaning buttons directly on the mop itself, or you can access advanced features and controls with the smartphone app. From the app, you can start a cleaning cycle, send it back to the charger, or spot clean a small area. In addition, using the app, you can view the cleaning performance, see a digital map of your space, establish cleaning zones, keep out zones, and also set schedules. Once you know how the controls work, getting started is really easy. You can insert a cleaning pad, fill up the water reservoir, and then press clean. Maintaining the Braava M6 and keeping it in working order is also pretty easy. The M6 includes disposable cleaning pads, but you can also add washable cleaning pads if you prefer. As for the water reservoir, just make sure that it is full before starting a cleaning cycle. If the Braava detects it is running out of water during a wet mopping cycle, it may return back to the charging dock early. So, is the Braava Jet M6 a good value? I would recommend the Braava M6 to anyone who wants top-tier cleaning performance. The M6 performed great in our cleaning tests and is one of the highest performing robot mops we have tested to date. I would also recommend the M6 if you want excellent navigation. The Braava Jet M6 does a really nice job of navigating around the rooms and cleaning very efficiently. The smart maps as part of the app are a great addition, as are the zone cleaning and the keep out zone features within the app. The M6 just does a fantastic job of moving around the space and fully cleaning everywhere within the room. And last but not least, I would recommend the M6 if you want Wi-Fi connectivity. The M6 connects to your smartphone through the iRobot app, where you can easily control the robot, set schedules, monitor maintenance tasks, and also check out your digital maps. It makes controlling and mopping incredibly easy. Overall, I really like the Braava Jet M6. It's great at cleaning large floor plans, it performed excellent in our cleaning tests, and overall usability and setup is incredibly easy. The price is definitely high. However, if you want bleeding edge features from a next generation mopping robot, this really is by far the best option on the market. Well guys, that is it for this review. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you like this video, please consider giving us that thumbs up. If you're interested in buying the M6, check out the links in the description down below. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got the full contextual write-up on the M6, as well as other reviews, comparisons, and a whole lot more. As always, thank you so much for watching.